Time now for your forewarned weather with Chief Meteorologist Alana Brophy.
Let's head over for another check of that forecast.
All right, Alana, what's it looking like this week?
Hello, it's Monday and it's a totally different season, right? It feels like it out there. And this week, we're going to have a mix of everything. 31 flavors, just like Baskin-Robbins, a scoop of winter in the high country. Check out this amazing video. This is coming from Brian Head. It's the clash of the seasons. You've got the fall colors and then fresh snow on the mountain. Yeah, that's snow level above 8,500 feet. Great to see that in southern Utah. We're also seeing it in the north. As we head into the overnight and colder airs in place, we'll see those snow levels get down to 8,000 feet, and then they'll start to rise yet again. This autumn storm coming in and changing things up. We still have that winter weather advisory in effect that will stay in effect for the western Uintas until midnight, with accumulating snow expected and winter travel expected for that portion of the state. As we take a look at the water vapor map here, it shows you that slow upper level low. It's on the move and it's tracking through the Beehive State. It's got counterclockwise rotation, and you can see where that moisture is bubbling up, which is why we're seeing showers in the south central and southwestern portion of the state. A bit of a break here in northern Utah, that live view of the ABC4 studios. We've got sunshine that has snuck out, but we're only sitting at 51 degrees, running well below average with that northwesterly flow. If you do get a breeze, it's a brisk one. 49 in Logan, 48 in Provo, and only the upper 60s in St. George, Ogden, and Salt Lake hanging out together in the low 50s. Taking a look at the precipitation totals, as we've seen those rain showers on and off throughout the afternoon and evening. 1.6 inches of precip in Chipeta. This is the western Uintas, so this weather station definitely picking up a decent amount of moisture. 0.6 there in Dugway. Zion National Park, close to half an inch. More than 0.3 in Orem and Kanab, so we're spreading this moisture out throughout the state. Lehigh, close to 0.3. Over 0.2 in St. George, getting that in Cedar City. Salt Lake, over 0.1 there, flirting with 0.2 in Sandy right behind them. These are numbers that are likely going up by the time we hit the air tonight at 10 on ABC4 News, because the wet weather continues. We do have the chance of those showers, a slight break in the action, but 50s turning into 40s tonight. It's going to be a cooler overnight. I hope you're ready for that one. Chilly, I would say, but maybe I'm just a little bit of a wimp. 7:08 is when the sun officially goes down, with wet weather wanting to hang on. The Futurecast tracks us through the timing, so you're going to see the showers there in southwestern Utah between Iron and Beaver County will continue, and that's the positioning of that upper level low. That's a slow mover and taking its time through the Beehive State. We get wraparound moisture into our Tuesday morning. Here we are by 11 a.m. Looks like Weber and Davis County, as well as up towards Cache Valley, getting that rain coming through. We will be unsettled for our Tuesday. Breaks in the action. We'll see cloud cover, but there comes another round as we head into the evening, and that will track over the high country. Notice the blue on the Futurecast by 6 p.m. That's additional snow for the Uintas, where accumulating snow is happening above 8,000 feet. Now, above 10,000 feet, that's the best chance. And here we go as we make it through Wednesday morning. You can see the Uintas, the heavy hitter here, but we're also seeing that snow in the Cottonwoods above 8,500 feet, and that could go a little lower as we head into the overnight with that colder air. 50s for daytime highs tomorrow. We'll see 40s for the overnight low, with showers sticking around for your Tuesday, and then we start to quiet down. 60s and 70s on the eastern side of the state. Let's zoom in. It's going to be a cold overnight for some, and that includes the 30s in Park City and Heber. Our mountain valleys dipping. Tooele getting down to 45, 46 in Ogden, and highs tomorrow well below average with the low to mid 50s. In central Utah, a little more sunshine. We'll see those numbers in the 50s, a few 60s popping up in places like Oak City and Fillmore, and the 70s down near Lake Powell. 74 in St. George. Sounds beautiful, but gosh, for the desert, that's on the cooler side. 70s will build towards the 80s with plenty of sunshine. High pressure takes over and makes its presence known, meaning that as we look ahead to the weekend, yes, it's Monday, but I know you're planning, so am I. Scattered showers for your Tuesday, 60s turning into 70s. That's called a Chamber of Commerce weekend forecast there, because St. George and the Wasatch Front looking absolutely gorgeous, but
perfect.
Chilly and soggy out there for your Monday.
Okay.